When you're at the stage of aesthetic pleasure, it means that everything unnecessary is leaving your inner world. When empty people leave it, when black magic no longer works, when thunder, lightning, and intrigue only leave a distant echo, when all the ugliness is replaced by true beauty and elegance. You see the beauty and admire, and more you have a desire not to consume, but a strong desire to experience. Aesthetic pleasure is a sense of delight we feel when we encounter something beautiful, harmonious, and artistically meaningful. It's a response that comes not just from how something looks, but from how it feels to experience it, visually, emotionally, and intellectually.